Physiological aspects of overhydration. Overview. Overhydration, also known as water intoxication, is a condition where a person has consumed excessive amounts of water, leading to an imbalance in the body's electrolyte levels. The human body needs a delicate balance of fluids, electrolytes, and minerals in order to function properly. When this balance is disrupted, it can lead to a variety of symptoms and health issues. Let's see some of the manifestations associated with water intoxication. 1. Fluid balance. Overhydration occurs when the amount of fluid in the body exceeds the normal levels, disrupting the balance between fluid intake and elimination. 2. Electrolyte imbalances. Overhydration can lead to a dilution of electrolytes, particularly sodium, which is essential for maintaining fluid balance and normal cellular function. 3. Kidney function. The kidneys play an important role in filtering excess fluid and electrolytes from the blood. Overhydration can overwhelm the kidneys, leading to the accumulation of excess fluid in the body. 4. Hyponatremia. Low levels of sodium, hyponatremia, can cause a variety of symptoms, including nausea, headache, confusion, muscle cramps, fatigue, and seizures. 5. Blood pressure regulation. Overhydration can affect blood pressure regulation, causing it to drop. 6. Fluid balance in the brain. Excess fluid accumulation in the body can also lead to fluid accumulation in the brain, which can cause headaches, dizziness, and confusion. 7. Swelling. Overhydration can cause swelling in the hands, feet, and face, as well as bloating and weight gain. 8. Severe cases. In severe cases, overhydration can lead to coma and death, particularly in the case of hyponatremia. In conclusion, overhydration can have serious physiological effects on the body, and it's important to maintain a proper balance of fluids, electrolytes, and minerals to avoid this condition. That's all for the video. We'll see you next time.